Today we are going to share a little information about 2018 Audi A3, a beautiful car with more than one cool design. The Audi A3 can be had in both sedan and cabriolet body styles, offering the same Audi luxury in a compact size with unique appeal. The Audi A3 is offered in both front and all-wheel drive configurations. Power is provided by either a 186 horsepower 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a 220 horsepower 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Available transmissions include a 6-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission or a 7-speed S-tronic. The A3 is equipped with a panoramic sunroof, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Xenon Plus headlights with LED daytime running lamps, heated front seats, leather upholstery, dual-zone automatic climate control, HD, satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless connectivity, audio streaming, USB port and a 7-inch TFT color display. Safety features include electronic stability and traction control systems, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes with brake assist, Audi Pre-Sense collision mitigation, a rear-view camera and up to 8 airbags. Refreshed last year, the Audi A3 carries over with minimal changes for 2018. Heated front seats are now standard on all models. The 2018 Audi A3 features all the usual Audi goodness, but in a smaller package. Cool design inside and out, confident dynamics and high-quality building materials are the hallmarks of this sedan and cabriolet, despite its status as the company's entry-level model. The A3 is one of the best in its class. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of this awesome ride is between $31,950 and $41,050 US. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Car Hero.